And here's how to change your iPhone location settings. Open your settings app and tap on General. Here scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Here, to change your iPhone location, you have to tap on Region. And currently my region and location is United Kingdom. Now to change your location, go ahead and select a different location from this list. Or you can search for a specific location using the search box. Just select the new location. And that's it. This is how we can change our iPhone location in settings. Now to change your iPhone location for App Store, open your App Store, tap on your profile photo, and in here tap on your Apple ID, and you directly jump into your App Store Apple ID settings page. Here just tap on country, region, and now tap on change country, and now go ahead and change your country for your iPhone App Store. Thanks for watching.